My dear sisters and brothers, when I asked you, are you present? I wanted you to be aware whether you are here or you are elsewhere. Most of us find it difficult to be present. We are either our thoughts or our feelings. We are not able to see our thoughts and see our feelings. That means we are not present to them. They are taking us along. We are enslaved to them, our thoughts and our feelings, and everything there is within us, that's all controlling us. So if you are present, then you will know that this is the kind of thinking that I am having, or these are the feelings that I have, or these are the things that are going on inside me. You'll be present to them. Most of us, when we are with the others, we are not present to them because we are not present to ourselves. We are not present to what they are saying. We have already got our thoughts that we want to give them. They're not heard. So there's no communication that's going on. Very often it happens to us. And so we get angry with each other, we get irritated, and after some time we cannot tolerate one another. This can happen, and this does happen. So what is the way that we did? So what is happening to us? We are living in darkness. We are not living in the light. If we were living in the light, you can see everything. If you go into a dark room, completely dark, you will be trying to grasp your way, trying to find out things. Put on the light, you can see everything clearly. You don't have to do all those actions. Something like that is happening to us. We are not living in the light internally. We are in darkness. And that's what God is telling us, my dear children. I have created the light for you. And why are you walking in darkness? And how do we walk in darkness? When we become self-centered, after some time, we are drowned in ourselves and drowned in all those things that we are thinking and feeling, and they begin to control us. And so we are enslaved. And so he says, I will send you my light. A light will shine in the darkness. So Jesus is the light of the world. Anyone who follows me will have the light of life. So what happens is, internally, if we become present to ourselves, then we will also become present to Jesus who is dwelling in us. We are not present to ourselves, so how can we be present to Him? But the minute we become present to our mind, our feelings, then you'll see you'll become present to Him. And that is silence. Silence is the absence of ego. So what do we do then? How do we go about? Why are we having divisions as we saw in the second reading? Because we have not got this clear that Jesus is in me, that Jesus is in you, and that all of us are one. We are one in His body, different parts of His body. We can't see this. We are just hearing these words, but we don't understand, and neither are we convinced about it. So Jesus is calling each one of us as He has called them. What do? They leave everything immediately. Are we doing the same thing? Are we following Jesus immediately? We cannot, because we are tied down. We are enslaved to ourselves, to sin within us, to our ego self. But you just leave it, and then you come to Him, and you'll see that He will clear it all, because He has already died for us and set us free from all this. In our baptism, we are already freed from the stain of sin, but we are still bound because we are going on without being present, without being aware. So the Lord is asking us to be present. And then you will see that the darkness is created and it's all false. When we come into the truth, we will see the light, and then we will walk the way of Jesus in our thoughts, words, and deeds. All of this has been given to us, but we are not somehow taking it. We want to get out. How do we do it? If you just keep quiet, you'll begin to hear all the sounds. When we begin to hear the sounds externally, the big sounds you can hear, but slowly as you keep deepening in your quietness, you will attain silence. As I told you, silence is the absence of ego. So you are fully present. You will be able to hear not only the external sounds, the loud and the soft ones, but you will slowly begin to hear your own self, your own breathing. And as you begin to do that, you might also experience your heartbeat. Next time when you go home, you try that out. You block your ears with your fingers and see. You can hear the thud of your heartbeat and the ocean, so to say, inside you. We are a big mystery, but you have not been present to yourself externally and internally. And that's why we need silent prayer. Even our prayers that we are saying, we are just mumbling them. We are not present to what we are saying. Had you to be present to them, the effect will be immediate. Just try it. Let us not walk in this darkness anymore. Let us walk in the light of Jesus, who is with us, and He is giving us everything. You read His word, you have everything there. But you don't understand it because you're not present to it. And you don't know what's happening because there's such a little mumbo jumbo going on. Our thoughts and our feelings and everything is going round and round. Just keep silence and you'll see you will attain to something great. You will be touched by the Lord. He's just waiting for us to experience the fullness of Himself in us. And then you will be so much at peace. You will be giving peace to others through your thoughts, words, and deeds, because it will not be your words, it will be His words, because we are all in Him. In Him we live, move, and have our being. But these are only words. They are not reality, because we are not present, we are not aware. And so, my dear sisters and brothers, let us keep practicing this. I've always suggested to you that the night and the morning, the first thing and the last thing, just spend in it. Today, I would like to tell you, practice this. When you go to bed, just be present to all the sounds. And when you're present to all the sounds, you be present to your breath. And you'll see you'll become present to the marvel that we all are. God has blessed us with everything. Everything. And so you'll begin to use the things in the way we really ought to use them, guided by His presence within us. And you'll see your relationships will become so good. You'll be present to the other. You will listen to the other. You will understand the other. You will be able to guide the other, guided by the Spirit of God who is at work in you. You will not lead them astray, because Jesus is the way. You'll be present to Jesus in you. You'll be present to Jesus in the other. And you see the marvel that it'll it will take place. Marvels, miracles, everything. So many of us are unnecessarily going into depression. Unnecessarily. Not present to your thoughts, not present to your feelings. And surrender them. At every breath, you just say Jesus, Jesus, and surrender your thoughts and feelings. They're gone. You'll attain silence. You'll be so happy. Let's try it for a while. Hold your hands, close your eyes, keep your back straight. Just be quiet. You will experience your breathing. Just be quiet, don't do anything. And be relaxed. Relaxed in your toes, the soles of your feet, your ankles, shin and calves, your thighs, bottom, lower back, middle back, upper back, your pelvic area, abdomen, chest, shoulders. Relax your fingers, palms, arms, elbows, neck, jaws, lips, cheeks, nose, eyes, earlobes, forehead and the scalp of your head. You're completely relaxed and fully present. We are alive because Jesus is the life in us. At every breath, He enters us, fills us, from our toes right up to our head. And we have a chance to empty everything out onto Him as we breathe out. He has already attained for us freedom. Let us make it our own. Let us surrender to Him our thoughts, good, bad, ugly, our feelings, our memories. Let us be cleansed within by His precious presence and blood. And in this way, you will begin to see the life that we are living, and that life is in the light of His presence. I am the light of the world. He who follows me will have the light of life. We will be able to see our life in His light. Let us make the words that we have heard today our very own. And Jesus in us will bring healing to ourselves and to others through us, through our words, through our deeds, through our presence.